You're going to do your nails, okay. So stay strapped in. I'll be flying around the vectors on the ILS. We should probably pick up the ATIS soon, and
how far away are we?
we'll start coming down.
87.
We're actually only 15 miles away.
Oh, wow.
So I'm going to get the ATIS now.
That's speedy.
Heading 300 degrees, 87, 210. Acknowledge receipt of information Golf and advise aircraft type on first contact. 10 miles ought to be very slow. Information Golf, time 1150, runway use 09er, 1,000 beneath, 12 o'clock, same direction, about 10 miles, very slow. Copy that, thank you, 7210 there.
So we can load the procedure on the ILS 09.
Top 74 kilo, descent, flight level 100. That's level 100 on 74 kilo.
Put vectors in there at the moment. Look at the charts.
Like a blue tinge.
ILS DME 09.
I think I got all my data. I don't, on this figure particularly.
Mike Alpha Yankee, can you be level 25 miles before Pole Hill, please?
Tripod arrivals.
Yankee, thanks, route track Pole Hill.
No Nancy arrivals.
Sorry, 045, you want us to slow down further?
Nancy departure.
Sorry, 045, 260 knots is fine. 045. You can slow down if you wish.
Let's just look at the ILS 09.
Sorry, 045, roger. Top 74 kilo, descent, flight level 80. Flight level 80 from 74 kilo. Qatari 045, route direct, Dane, descent, flight level 120. Direct to Dane, descent flight level 120, reducing speed 240 knots, sorry, 045. Roger. Mike Alpha Yankee, anything else? Scottish 133.8. 338. Top 74 kilo, standard speed below 100, contact approach 18575. 18575, standard speed.
Walensea at 2,500.
100, top 7 kilo, goodbye.
But then, Walensea. But, 9 miles before Walensea.
Lane.
Okay, whereabouts?
Your left.
Yeah, he's nice and high. 2,400. See what vertical speed we'd need there. 500 feet per minute. Yeah, he's probably going into Liverpool as well.
How high is he?
Turn left 10 degrees.
Okay, left on to 305, 7 Golf Tango.
Hello, Mike. 648, passing 3,300 feet. Now for 5,000.
So at the moment I've got vectors in for the approach. I've got Walensea just to give me a descent. 500 feet per minute so I can monitor that.
Speed control.
Walensea's
negative no speed.
So he'll give me a descent.
Qatari 045, descent flight level 100. Descent flight level 100, Qatari 045.
It's a good idea.
Mike 648 at 5,000 feet, fly heading of 180 degrees. 5,000 feet, 180 degrees, 168.
Aircraft 1,000 feet above. Can't see him. Can you see him?
What, the one over there?
Easy, 7200.
No, maybe that's him.
Just need to scrape 5 miles and I'll get there further descent. Okay, thanks.
Yeah, it could be him.
And EG721 Juliet, just there now, so descend flight level 100. 751 EG721 Juliet.
Scottish, good afternoon, Swiss 394-215, descending level 200, heading is 335.
Swiss 394, Scottish, roger. EG721 Juliet, heading and level to Scottish 128050. Heading to level Scottish 12.050, EG721 Juliet, good afternoon. November 7 Golf Tango, heading to Scottish Control 128.050.
128050 with the heading 7 Golf Tango.
Control descend flight level 70. Descend flight level 70, EG721 Juliet.
Flight level 200, maintaining 290 knots.
Sorry, is that Chanix 740?
Scottish, good afternoon, November 147 Golf Tango, flight level 100, radar heading 305.
November 147 Golf Tango, Scottish Control, good afternoon.
Scottish Control, good afternoon. Chanix 740 is with you. In descent, flight level 200, level 10 to 4 on take, maintaining 290 knots on transition.
Chanix 740, Scottish Control, good afternoon. Descent flight level 180.
Descent, flight level 180, Chanix 740.
Okay, so the ILS.
Manchester, Scottish Order, Shamrock 605, flight level 360, we're clear descent, flight level 290, pilot discretion.
Shamrock 605, Scottish Control, good afternoon. Descent flight level 280.
Switch that.
Descent flight level
Inbound approach
280,
course
Shamrock
EG
605.
721 Juliet, turn right 5 degrees, descend flight level 60.
Right 5 degrees, heading 305, 7 flight level 60, EG 721 Juliet.
November 147 Golf Tango, descend flight level 70.
Descend flight level 707 Golf Tango. Okay,
Good Ryanair, 6 kilo whiskey, we're on the knocking 1 Sherwa, 38 on the climate 5000.
Ryanair 6 kilo whiskey, Scottish Control, good afternoon. Flight radar heading of 230 degrees and climb down flight level 80.
Heading 230,
But just
climb level 80,
control
6
the
kilo.
vertical speed a bit, a little more like that. Okay, down to flight level 70, flight level 1.
Jedi 8 Alpha Hotel, when you're ready, descend
Okay,
flight
ATIS, we've
level
got Liverpool
80
approach
over
119.85, so
Now when ready, descend flight level 80 and level by Mercy, Jersey 8 Alpha Hotel.
in there. In COM 2, we'll put the tower 12635, 2635.
Ryanair 5 Golf Romeo,
We'll
contact
switch there,
Dublin
and we'll put the ground
129.175,
frequency 12195.
China 175, Ryanair 5 Romeo, bye. Jedi 476,
So
turn right
we've got
heading
approach,
310
tower,
degrees.
and ground.
310 degrees is
Approach is checked, tower is checked, ground is checked. In nav 1 we have 111 decimal 75, 111 decimal 75.
Action 4 Alpha Lima, resume on navigation to Sopax.
Navigation to
A bit early to
Shamrock
identify.
605, descend flight level
Wind approach
200,
course
cross
089.
flight level 240 or below.
089
Flight level 200,
degrees.
cross Bagno,
Decision
240
height
below Shamrock 605.
on the QNH
Ryanair 6 kilo whiskey,
260.
climb flight level 190.
Oh, the
260.
190, Julie.
On the
Chanix
QNH,
740,
which
descend
we've got
flight
is
level 150.
1023, which will set
Descend flight level 150,
flight elevation to 3. Missed approach. I'm straight ahead. We're located 2.5
Chanix
thousand feet.
740, there was no speed.
That's okay.
No speed,
Back
Chanix
to
740.
the procedure. There we go. Okay. Got vectors to the ILS, so because we're on vectors, we're not using the nav at the moment for GPS. So
EG 721
we can
Juliet, on
switch this
navigation
nicely
Keegan,
to
contact Liverpool 119.50.
in heading mode. We're in heading mode, so we can switch that to
Keegan,
nav 1.
Liverpool 119.50,
VOR.
Juliet.
That's not right. Oh yeah, that's the Wallency VOR. Okay, auto-tuned. Now if we go to nav 1 and switch, that's not the right frequency. It's overridden me. One 1175. Oh, that's the COM.
November 147 Golf Tango, resume on navigation to Keegan.
And navigation to Keegan, 7 Golf Tango. Okay. Keegan. Wonderful, Keegan. Direct to Keegan.
Shamrock 605, report the
mode.
level restriction to Dublin 129.175, goodbye.
129.175, record Shamrock 605.
FMS. Direct to Keegan.
November 147 Golf Tango, contact Liverpool 119.850, goodbye.
119850, bye-bye, 7 Golf Tango.
Fraction 4 Alpha Lima, directed.
Liverpool radar, good afternoon, Golf Golf Alpha Echo Bravo, 56,
Golf Golf Alpha Echo Bravo, stand by.
Liverpool approach, good afternoon, November 147 Golf Tango, direct Keegan, in the descent to flight level 70.
November 147 Golf Tango, Liverpool radar, afternoon, vectors for ILS approach, it's going to be runway 27 now, the wind has changed significantly, and I can see you present heading and maintain 70 on reaching.
Okay, vectors for the ILS, runway 27 and present heading, I'll carry on, 7 Golf Tango. Okay, so we need to delete that procedure. Best laid plans of mice and men. So, procedure 27, vectors. Vectors for the ILS 27. Go to my charts. Okay, select a chart. Go to number 27, display the charts. Okay, 111.75 on the nav.
Approach EG7, 21 Juliet.
111.75 on the nav.
EG7, 21 Juliet. Yeah, can you just give us that service wind again, please?
And the rest of it should all be the same.
330, 10 knots. 330, 10, thank you, 721 Juliet. EG7, 21 Juliet, turn right heading 030 degrees. Right heading 030 degrees, EG7, 21 Juliet.
Jack Keegan, I'm on. In nav mode. Down to 70, and she's intercepted 70. Well, how are they going to turn us around to go the other way? The wind's changed, so they've changed the runway. So instead of coming out...
147 Golf Tango, fly heading 330 degrees.
Heading 330 for 7 Golf Tango. They're going to start turning us around.
Broadcast QNH 1024, QNH 1024.
1024 on the QNH.
And also broadcast, the runway in use is now 27.
27, got.
Golf Bravo November Yankee Kilo, route towards Tarvin for runway 27, join report approaching Tarvin now. Route Tarvin and report approaching Golf. Golf Alpha Echo Bravo, thanks for waiting, and pass your message now. Echo Bravo, Squawk 0260, and the new Liverpool QNH is 1024.
0260, copy 1024, Golf Golf Alpha Echo Bravo.
Golf Echo Romeo, frequency change approved.
Scaling the peak for the descent. You can see the sea over there, that's nice, isn't it?
Looks lovely.
We just pulled the power back a bit. No need to apply so fast when he's vectoring us.
EG721 Juliet, turn right heading 090 degrees, descent to altitude 2,500 feet. Right heading 090 degrees, descent altitude 2,500 feet, EG721 Juliet.
Liverpool radar, good afternoon, EG7025, passing altitude 2,400, climbing 3,000, heading 210 degrees.
EG7025, Liverpool radar, afternoon. Climb now, flight level 60. There will be traffic 1,000 feet above that level.
Flight level 60, Roger, 7025.
So let's put the course on to 269.
Whiskey Alpha Romeo Whiskey with information Golf. Request radio adjuster. Whiskey Alpha Romeo Whiskey Liverpool. We've changed runways now. It's 27 in use. If you wish, you can route towards Tarvin and join not above altitude 1,500 feet VFR, UQNH 1024. Route towards Tarvin, VFR number 1,500 feet, UQNH 1024. Golf Romeo Whiskey.
Liverpool approach, left in helicopter, November 500 X-ray Victor.
EG7025, climb off level 70.
Climb off level 70, EG7025.
Liverpool approach, left in helicopter, November 500 X-ray Victor.
It's embarrassing.
EG7025, route direct to Retzi.
Direct Retzi, EG7025.
EG7025, report the heading and level to Scottish 128050. Bye.
Level Scottish 128050, EG7025, good day.
November 147 Golf Tango, descend to altitude 4,000 feet, QNH 1024.
Descent 4,000 feet, 1024. And what was the heading you wanted me on?
I just maintain present heading for a few miles.
Okay, 7 Golf Tango. Okay, I'm going to have
Liverpool approach, left in helicopter, November 500 X-ray Victor.
Descent 4,000 feet, radar heading.
MD 500 Manchester for on board, just western of Seoul this time, 1,000 feet on 1023. Remaining south to 56, line to transit control airspace to a private landing site at Michael Trafford. Basic service sector, Victor.
50 X-ray Victor, squawk 0260, Liverpool QNH 1024.
0260, 1024.
November 147 Golf Tango, turn right heading at 020 degrees, descent to altitude 2,500 feet.
Right, 020 and to 2,500 feet, 7 Golf Tango.
EC721 Juliet, we can have 75 miles final. EC721 Juliet, Roger.
Okay, you're going to fly this manually.
Number 50 X-ray Victor, basic service outside, clear to transit Liverpool zone, remaining south of the N56 motorway.
Okay, we've now got the active 115.75 and inbound course 269.
Remaining south of 56.
269 set.
Golf Yankee Kilo is Tarvin inbound. Golf Yankee Kilo, route towards the Hellsby area and report visual at the airfield.
Roger, Golf Yankee Kilo.
Just confirm, it is runway 27.
Yeah, for runway 27, Golf Yankee Kilo.
Full approach, Golf in Foxtrot Sierra Mike, back on frequency requesting zone entry at Kirby, Golf Sierra Mike.
Golf Fox Sierra Mike, join report Kirby not above altitude 1,500 feet VFR, QNH 1024.
Join and report Kirby not above 1,500 feet VFR, QNH 1024, Golf Sierra Mike.
Sierra Mike, so squawk 0260, report Kirby.
Squawk 0260, report Kirby, Golf Sierra Mike.
Radar call from you, Mr. Romeo Oscar, request frequency change to Liverpool radio at 128.000. Call from Oscar, that's approved, squawk 7000, break easy, 71 Juliet, turn right 180 degrees, base leg, descent to altitude 2,000 feet.
Right, heading south, descend altitude 2,000 feet, easy, 71 Juliet.
So he's descending me north of the airfield to turn me back onto the ILS to the right.
Golf Yankee Kilo, just confirm you're routing towards Hellsby.
So I'm heading for 2,500 feet, heading of 020. Lovely view of Liverpool down there.
See Albert
Golf
Dock.
Whiskey, traffic is Tomahawk in the zone, also routing towards Hellsby. Looking for traffic, Golf Whiskey.
The Liverbird.
Golf X-ray Victor, traffic information, the Tomahawk and a Cherokee routing from the Tarvin towards Hellsby, not above 1,500 feet. 71 Juliet, turn right heading 240 degrees, close the localizer from the right, report established, when established, descend the glide.
We just flew over a camper.
240 degrees, report established, established 75, easy, 721 Juliet. Number 7 Golf Tango, turn right, heading 100 degrees downwind.
Right, heading 100 degrees, 7 Golf Tango.
Liverpool radar, this is Golf November, Indian November Charlie, overhead for Golf, request station service, and low transit.
Station call, remain outside, I'll call you back. Easy 721 Juliet, localizer established 7.4 miles. Easy 721 Juliet, descend with the glide past your number 1, contact tower 126350. Set the glide path and tower 126, F1350, easy 721 Juliet, thanks for your help, have a good afternoon. Thank you, bye. Golf November India Charlie India, squawk 0260.
Right, coming in on 100.
260, Golf November Charlie.
And approaching 2,500 feet.
Liverpool radar, this is Golf Lima Foxtrot Sierra November, on frequency outbound. Golf Lima Foxtrot November, Roger, report at C4.
Okay, that's my altitude. Sorry about the bumps, guys, it's because they're a bit lower now. Okay, boost on.
Golf Yankee Kilo, traffic's Explorer helicopter tracking the M56 towards Chester near Helsby at this time.
Fuel pumps on, brakes are off. 2,500 feet, 100.
Left hand side, we have to field in place. Golf Yankee Kilo, roger.
I'm just going to look at the instruments, okay?
Traffic views an Explorer helicopter tracking the M56 from Helsby to Chester, just south of the motorway. Golf November Charlie, sorry, just say your full call sign again and pass your message.
Golf November India November Charlie, PA28, currently above Crosby.
Lost a little bit of altitude there.
At 1,300 feet.
He'll turn me right again shortly.
Golf November Charlie, roger, and remain outside controlled airspace, routes Wallasey and then west of Neston towards Harden.
Remain clear of controlled airspace en route to Harden. Golf November Charlie.
Excellent. You route towards Wallasey, that will keep you outside, and then from the west of Wallasey head south towards Harden.
Wallasey, Golf November Charlie.
Okay, close at Helsby, just crossing the M56. Golf Yankee Kilo, Roger, just confirm you're heading north at this time. That's correct. Golf Yankee Kilo. Yankee Kilo, just squawk Iden. Number 5, there's an X-ray. Victor, keep lookout for a pipe arrow believed to be in a similar position.
We're looking and we have a private field in sight. Shall I keep the squawk, give a call when we're airborne again? Be on the ground for about an hour?
Hey, firm, surface wind is northerly at 12 knots.
Copy the wind and that's fine, thanks for listening.
Golf Yankee Kilo, contact the tower 126350.
Tower 126, Golf Yankee Kilo.
147 Golf Tango, turn right 180 degrees, base leg, descent to altitude 2,000 feet.
Right, 180 and down to 2,000 feet for 7 Golf Tango.
Approach Golf Sierra Mike, heavy inbound.
Golf Sierra Mike, continue towards the Jaguar factory, report visual of the airfield.
Sydney to Jag, report visual of the airfield, Golf Sierra Mike.
Golf Romeo Whiskey, squawk Iden.
Golf Romeo Whiskey is heading back on 120, away from the traffic zone at the moment.
Okay, 180. Just 2,000.
So just confirm you wish to route inbound now.
Whenever you're ready, I will route inbound. Golf Romeo Whiskey.
Golf Romeo Whiskey, ferry connects the zone towards Helsby and above 1,500 feet VFR.
Okay, 2,000 feet.
Helsby,
1024. New QNH 1024.
Number 147 Golf Tango, turn right heading 230 degrees, close localizer from the right, report established. When established, descend with the glide.
Right, 230 and report established, 7 Golf Tango. Okay, got ILS signals.
And November 7 Golf Tango, descend to altitude 1,500 feet, further with the glide.
Descend altitude 1,500, then with the glide, 7 Golf Tango.
Approach Golf Sierra Mike, field is 5.
Oh, sure, Mike.
Okay, 2,000.
approaching Golden Bay,
Sorry, heading 230 and 1,500.
So the station for frequency change, was that Echo Bravo?
Affirm, Echo Bravo.
Off Echo Bravo, thank you, and squawk 7,000.
Okay.
Squawk 7,000, next over day, Golf Echo Bravo.
Localizers coming in. 1,500 feet. November 7 Golf Tango is fully established on the ILS runway 27, distance 5 miles.
Number 7 Golf Tango, thank you. This is VFR traffic joining left base. Contact Tower 126.350.
To the tower 126.350, roger the traffic.
Traffic is cycle 20 kilo and make a left orbit.
Okay, Liverpool Tower, November 147 Golf Tango is fully established on the ILS runway 27, distance 4 miles.
November 147 Golf Tango, Liverpool Tower, good afternoon. Continue approach, surface wind 010 degrees at 10 knots.
Continue, 7 Golf Tango.
7 Golf Tango, traffic is at Tomahawk, approximately 1.5 miles southeast of the airfield, just carrying out a left-hand door with the position behind you.
Roger, 7 Golf Tango.
Liverpool Tower, this is Golf Lima Fox.
Don't want to get below the glide slope.
Golf Lima Fox,
Speed coming off.
Liverpool Tower, good afternoon. Roger, before it jags.
Fort Jags, Golf Sierra Mike.
Using
7
the
Golf Tango, clear to land, surface wind 010 degrees at 10 knots.
clear to land runway 27, November 7 Golf Tango. Localizers good, glide slope's good. 120 knots, first stage of flat. Bringing the speed down to 100.
Kilo, roger, report file number 2.
2 miles. 400 feet to go.
Golf Sierra Mike, make one left-hander
Full
wind
flat.
position, report.
Looking for 80 knots.
Hotel Golf Sierra Mike.
Fusion 7, contact Liverpool radar, 119.
300 feet to go. 89. 85. Add a bit of power. 200 feet to go. 85 knots on the localizer on the glide slope. feet to go. Bit below the glide. 80 knots.
India approaching Golf, I'm ready to. Golf Alpha Victor Golf India, Liverpool Tower.
100 feet to go.
Hold a Golf, Golf India.
90 knots. Bit fast. 89. 50 feet to go. Okay, look out. Got the runway. Land.
November Alpha, holding it, Golf ready for departure.
From Victor, November Alpha, Liverpool Tower, good afternoon, via Golf, on line of runway 27.
Golf line of 127, Golf runway Victor, November Alpha.
It's a bit gusty. Oh, it's a bit gusty. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Sierra Mike, 1 orbit complete.
Sierra Mike, roger, join right base, runway 27, you're number 2, following a PA38, midpoint left base, just crossing the lighthouse.
Going for right base, 27, number 2, Golf Sierra Mike.
Number 7 Golf Tango, vacate next right via Echo.
Next right via Echo, 7 Golf Tango.
7 Golf Tango, correct, contact Liverpool, ground on 121.950, bye-bye.
To ground 121.950, goodbye, 7 Golf Tango.
Golf Yankee Kilos 1, please.
ED 7007, Liverpool ground, good afternoon, clear to Amsterdam, Desig 1 Tango departure, squawk 7325, and information India is current.
It is current, clear to Amsterdam, Desig 1 Tango, squawking 7325, ED 7007.
ED 7007.
Okay, let's clean up the flaps. The ground November 7 Golf Tango, runway vacated.
November 147 Golf Tango, Liverpool ground, good afternoon, taxi to Kilo.
To Kilo for 7 Golf Tango. Follow the yellow brick road. Just Ryanair and EasyJet do that all the time. Oh, that little trauma hawk is going off. Poor little thing, student pilot.
Poor little thing.
I learned to fly in a trauma hawk. We call them trauma hawks because of the scars they leave.
Oh.
They're like really underpowered, like you get 2 people in it and it only just flies. But it's good for learning in. Not like that 737, that's a nice thing to fly.
X-ray 43, roger, thank you.
You'd never think that there was another building at the end here.
Is this Liverpool's main airfield?
Yes, Liverpool. This is called the John Lennon International Airport, isn't it, Nicola?
Yep. It's not very big, is it? Well, it doesn't look very big from here. It's quite diddy.
I think when you get in this, when you get in an EasyJet flight, you don't really know
No.
what else is here. You know, you just go through the terminal. Everything looks fine to you. Everyone comfortable and happy?
Yep, thank you.
All right, good.
Very smooth landing.
Well, it was a bit. The wind was quite sheery there. It was like chopping and changing. Like 1 minute there was no wind, and the next minute we were flying high again because there was too much.
Yeah. Very good landing.
Yeah, you just have to deal with the wind. You feel like well, I don't know. Your hand is glued to the aeroplane, and your brain does something special. You just by the time you've done it that many times, it's almost instinctive what you do to just deal with the way the aeroplane's behaving. It's lovely though. Okay, here we are, area Kilo. We shut down, have a cup of coffee. And November 7 Golf Tango's parking at Kilo. I'll talk to you on the way back.
November 7 Golf Tango, copy.
Local ground, Golf Bravo, November, Yankee Kilo, at Echo.
Except there's no marshaller.
November Yankee Kilo, local ground, taxi to Kilo.
Taxi at Golf.
Must have forgotten we were coming. Oh no, here he is. And maybe that guy's marshalling us, I don't know.
Ground easy, 5360, stand 53, request push and start.
Easy 5360, push and start approved, stand 53, QNH 1024.
Thank you, push and start approved, 53, 1024, 536 Sierra. And hello again, Rhino 5, Lima Mike, stand for 1024, request push and start.
Rhino 5 Lima Mike, push and start approved, stand for QNH 1024.
024, push and start approved, Rhino 5 Lima Mike.
Okie dokie.
Ground, this is Golf Lima Foxtrot Sierra Mike, taxi into Kilo. Golf Lima Foxtrot Sierra Mike, level ground, roger.
There we used 22.4 gallons. 22.4.